Today we shall learn some formulas in properties of triangles. I am starting with properties of triangles. These are the set of formulas that we shall learn today. First one is sine rule. Sine rule is nothing but a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to 2r, where r is the circumradius of triangle ABC. Cosine rule. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b. C square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Cos a value. Cos a is nothing from this. What is cos a? B square plus c square minus a square by 2bc cos b. C square plus a square minus b square by 2ca cos c. A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Next you have projection rule. A is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. B is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. C is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. This is called projection rule. Next we have tangent rule. Tan of b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. This is called tangent rule. Note down these formulas. The next set of formulas that we have: sin a by 2 is under root of s minus b into s minus c by bc. Cos a by 2 is under root of s into s minus a by bc. Tan a by 2 is under root of s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a, that is delta by s into s minus a. Next, area of triangle ABC is half BC sin a, half CA sin b, or half AB sin c, that is equal to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that is equal to ABC by 4r, or it is 2r square sin a sin b sin c. R1 is r is equal to delta by s. R1 is delta by s minus a. R2 is delta by s minus b. R3 is delta by s minus c. So this is what we have in the next set of formulas. Note down the formulas first. Yes, the next set of formulas that we have in properties of triangles are: r is equal to delta by s, r1 is equal to delta by s minus a, r2 is equal to delta by s minus b, r3 is equal to delta by s minus c, or small r is equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. R1 is 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. R2 is 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. R3 is 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. And formula of r is s minus a tan a by 2. R1 is s tan a by 2, that is equal to s minus c cot b by 2, s minus b cot, or s minus b cot c by 2. With these formulas we shall discuss. Write down these formulas first. These formulas we shall start the exercise. First problem: show that summation a sin b minus sin c is equal to 0. This is what you have to show. Now consider summation a sin b minus sin c. Summation a sin b is b by 2r and sin c is c by 2r. Take 1 by 2r out. You have summation a into b minus c. If you open this, 1 by 2r, a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. This is what you get. So that is 1 by 2r this is AB minus AC, BC minus AB plus AC minus BC, plus BC minus BC cancel, plus AC minus AC cancel, plus AB minus AB cancel. You have 0 by 2R, which is equal to 0. This is the first problem. Let us discuss the next problem. A is equal to root 3 plus 1, B is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Find C. Now, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus 30 plus 45 is equal to 180 degrees. A plus 75 is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 minus 75. A is equal to 105 degrees. So you got the value of A. We have A by sin A is equal to C by sin C. A is root 3 plus 1 by sin 105 is equal to C by sin 45. So this is root 3 plus 1 by sin 105 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal to C by sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So here we can cancel root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1, root 2 gets cancelled. C value is equal to 2. 2 will come up. So C value is 2. Let us discuss the next set of problems. Third one, if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, find cos A. Solution, we have cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So cos A is equal to 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 square by 2 into 3 into 4, that is equal to 9 plus 16 minus 4 by 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 9 plus 16 is 25 minus 4 by 24, which is 21 by 24, which is 7 by 8. So cos A value is 7 by 8. Let us discuss the next set of problems. Fourth one, if A is equal to 26, B is equal to 30, cos C is equal to 63 by 65, find C. We have C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. C square is equal to 26 square plus 30 square minus 2 into 26 into 30 cos C 63 by 65. 26 into 26 is 576. 625, 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 15, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 6, 676 plus 900 minus 60 into 26 into 63 by 65. 5 12s are 5 13s are 13 1s are 13 2s are. So this is 1576 minus 24 into 63. 63 into 24. 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 1 1 5 1 2. This is 1 5 1 2. 1576 minus 1 5 1 2. 4 6, that is 64. So C square value is 64. C is equal to root 64. C is equal to 8. Next. Shall discuss the next set of problems. If the angles of triangle are in ratio 1:5:6, find the ratio of its sides. Solution: let the angles be x comma 5x comma 6x. We have x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 180. 12x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 12. 12 1s are 12 5s are 60. So x is equal to 15. 5x is equal to 5 into 15, which is 75. 6x is equal to 6 into 15, which is 90. Let A is equal to 15, B is equal to 75, C is equal to 90. We have A is to B is to C is equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. That is sin 15 is to sin 75 is to sin 90. Sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 90 is 1. So this can be written as root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. Therefore, A is to B is to C is root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. This is what you have. Let us discuss the next problem. Sixth one, prove that 2 into BC cos A is 2 plus CA cos B plus AB cos C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. This is what you have. Consider 2 into BC cos A plus CA cos B plus AB cos C. This is equal to 2 into summation of BC cos A. 2 into summation of BC cos A is nothing but B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Here BC gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, that is summation B square plus C square minus A square. Summation B square plus C square minus A square is B square plus C square minus A square plus B square minus C square, C square plus A square minus B square. Now plus A square minus A square gets cancelled, plus B square minus B square gets cancelled, plus C square minus C square gets cancelled. You are left with A square plus B square plus C square. This is what you have. That is what we need to prove there. A square plus B square plus C square. Here we are making use of cos A formula. Cos A formula is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. BC 2 gets cancelled. You are left with summation B square plus C square minus A square. So this is B square plus C square minus A square plus A square plus B square minus C square plus C square plus A square minus B square. Cancel all the similar like terms, B square, A square, C square. Remaining is A square plus B square plus C square. Yes, let us discuss the next problem. Prove that A square plus B square minus C square by C square plus A square minus B square is equal to tan B by tan C. Now A square plus B square minus C square consider by C square plus A square minus B square. Now A square plus B square minus C square is 2AB cos C. This is 2AC cos B. A cancel, 2 cancel. B can be written as 2R sin B cos C by C can be written as 2R sin C cos B. Now 2R cancel. Sin B by cos B is tan B. Send cos C down. Sin B by cos B into cos C by sin C. Sin B by cos B is tan B into cos by sin is cot C, or tan B by cot C is 1 by tan C. So this is tan C. Therefore A square plus B square minus C square by C square plus A square minus B square is equal to tan B by tan C. That is the answer. Let us discuss the next one. Eighth one, b plus c cos a plus c plus a cos b plus a plus b cos c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is what you have to prove. Now b plus c cos a, c plus a cos b, a plus b cos c. This can be written as b cos a plus c cos a, c cos b plus a cos b, a cos c plus b cos c. b cos a plus a cos b is one set. C cos a plus a cos c is one set. C cos b plus b cos c, this is another set. The value of this is c, the value of this is b, value of this is a, that is equal to a plus b plus c. That's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.